Wat Yannawa Temple has a unique boat-shaped design, built in the 19th century by King Rama III. Located in the heart of Thailand's capital, the temple attracts many tourists and pilgrims. The boat is designed according to Chinese architecture, along with stupas representing the mast. The temple is not too big. Inside is simply decorated with mainly Buddhist statues and many relics. Wat Yannawa is one of the attractive destinations in Chiang Rai, Thailand. The temple has a unique green color with a striking gold-plated design, inspired by the traditional Dharma. The pagoda was built in 2005 but officially opened to visitors in 2016. With a long time of construction, the architectural design lines of the pagoda are done very elaborately and meticulously. Inside the temple, a giant white jade Buddha statue is placed in the center of the hall, surrounded by frescoes and carvings of contemporary Buddhist art. Wat Yannawa is considered one of the most beautiful temples in northeast Thailand. This tourist destination attracts many international tourists to visit.